Hallo miteinander, herzlich willkommen zurück zu Let's Play The Walking Dead. Wir haben das letzte Mal gerade easy den Zombie eins auf die Schnauze gegeben. Wir sind auf dem Weg, oder besser gesagt, wir sind im Marsh House angekommen und suchen jetzt nach der Clementine und ihrem Kidnapper oder Retter, wie er sich nennt. Da ist jemand drin. Ich höre allerdings nichts Gestöhne. Was ist das? Du bist es.
I got us adjoining rooms.
Yep. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. This is civil. You look horrible. And you're missing an arm.
Yep.
Go over there. Put your things down.
Let me out! Who's out there?
Clementine.
Quiet, please, sweetie. Your things. There.
Ich habe nur das Radio.
This
Das
is all
funkelt
I've
gerade.
got. Okay?
You travel light. I don't believe you.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
That's what I thought. You shouldn't lie.
Ah, komm.
Sit down.
Das war jetzt ein Fehler, ich glaube. Er ist sehr, sehr inkorrekt. Das war jetzt ein riesiger Fehler bei so einem.
Do you know who I am?
No.
No. I don't know anything about you.
You wouldn't. People like you don't.
Okay.
Now you're thinking, who would have it out for me, huh? A few weeks back, there might have been a station wagon in the forest, with all sorts of food,
Oh,
water,
fuck.
things you need to survive.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not some cannibal, Lee. Some killer out in the woods.
Mir auch nicht.
Some villain. I'm just a dad. I coach Little League.
Everything was just out there for the taking. We were starving.
For the taking? Do you know what you took from me?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Einfach alles, was
Whatever
ist.
it is.
Sorry.
Whatever happened. You have to hear that I'm sorry.
That doesn't mean anything to me.
Ja, was soll ich sagen?
I wish it did. I'm not a bad man. I don't believe in vengeance. But I've got nothing left.
Ja, ich auch nicht, außer Clementine.
Have you ever hurt somebody you care about?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Who?
Sohn. Ben.
A boy named Ben who was with us. I liked him. He was a good kid.
I didn't like him, but he was a good kid.
So bad. My son Adam went missing. I took him out hunting even though my wife said he was too young. I figured he had to learn. I came back without him and the look on her face said, "You are a monster." We all went out looking for him. We never found him.
Oh shit.
I hurt her so bad. Then you took all of our things. You robbed us. I could have earned her trust back, Lee, but not after that.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Ich kann nicht
The
mehr
hungrier
sagen.
we got, the more she blamed me. Until she finally took our daughter Elizabeth and left. They didn't get far. I found them a day later in the road.
Oh, scheiße.
Do I look like a monster to you?
Nein. Wir alle tun.
We all do.
Some more than others.
Yep,
I'm not like you.
das habe ich nie gesagt.
You walked a little girl into a dairy full of sick people and let them get their hands on her.
I was trying to find someplace safe for her.
You abandoned a defenseless, grieving woman.
Du bist nicht dort gewesen.
You weren't there.
The sweatshirt she's wearing was my boy's. You stole that from us.
I fucked up.
I fucked up.
Yes, you did.
How could you know all this?
Ja, sie hat es ihm gesagt. Walkie-talkie. Ja, gut. Das ist klar gewesen, das Walkie-talkie.
You're a monster. You're a murderer and a thief. And I'm gonna hurt you so bad.
Gib mir einfach Clementine back.
Just give me Clementine back.
I'd rather kill her myself. Because that's what will happen if she goes with you.
Du hast keine Ahnung.
After
was
I heard Clementine on the radio and realized who you folks were, I came after you purely for revenge. But the more I heard about the things you did and the danger she was in, our plan changed.
Scheiße. Nein.
Lead, listen to me. I need you to hear this before what happens
Moment, schön,
next.
ich muss schön das Mikrofon ausschalten,
I can take
aufstehen
care
und
of
die Tür zumachen.
We can have a family. I bet you don't even know how old she is.
She's 8.
Wrong.
Okay, bitte da, sorry.
She's 9.
What?
Her birthday was 6 days ago. I know how to be a dad, you know. She wouldn't be exposed to what she has been with you.
Shit, der hat Geburtstag gehabt. Ich bin besser geworden, okay?
I was bitten.
You were what?
Yeah. I probably don't have a whole lot of time.
Wow. Okay then.
Was willst du mir noch gross machen?
You'll take care of her?
We'll
Schaust du auf
give
sie?
her a home.
Why are you saying we?
Hey, honey. I think this is all gonna work out.
What are you?
Du wirst ganz sicher Clementine nicht haben. Er hat
I
Fax
wish
gemacht.
it wouldn't have had to
Er
be
hat
this
seinen
bad.
Kopf.
It's all
Er
over,
hat ihren Kopf.
isn't it?
Just about.
I
Er
hate
hat-
seeing you
er
like
hat-
this. I just miss your smile, honey. I miss you so much, Tess. You're gonna like Clementine a lot, though. She's not Lizzie, but she's sweet. She wouldn't
Hey,
hurt a
hey.
fly.
Oh fuck, du bist fit. Oh fuck, du bist fit. Was denkt jetzt an dich, Mann? Geh weg von mir, du fucking Psychopath. Du kommst Clementine nicht über. Du kommst Clementine nicht über, ey. Wichser! Ich habe einen stärkeren Ringfinger als du. Warte, ich muss den anderen Zeigefinger nehmen. Wichser! Wichser! Psycho! Jetzt land los, land los! Ich will nicht erwürgen.
Son of a bitch!
Erwürgen will nicht.
Go away!
Nein!
Die!
Clemmy.
I...
Zombies. Ist ja... Oh fuck.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey.
Your arm's gone. Why? That's so scary.
Ja, sorry, Clem.
Had an accident. We'll talk about
Hey,
it some
schön,
other
dass wir sich wieder haben. Wir haben Clem mit zurück.
You don't smell good.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry. Hat er den Weg gemacht?
Did he hurt you?
No. Not really. I'm sorry, Lee.
Clem, it's okay. We need to get you somewhere safe.
Yep.
And then we have to talk, okay?
Yeah.
Sehr ernsthaft müssen wir reden.
Everything's okay now. We need to figure out how to get out of Savannah as fast as we can.
Was ist mit den Eltern? Oder? Tote Mee.
Hey. You weren't afraid.
I was.
You didn't act like it.
I know. I am now.
It's okay.
Ich will noch mit ihr reden. Ich kann das so lange nicht.
Which way out?
Through there.
Okay. Kann ich sie nicht an der Hand nehmen? Nein, 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 ich kann nicht wieder rein.
Jesus.
Ich kann nicht wieder reinschauen.
Don't look in there.
No, I know.
Alright, aber warte, hat's irgendetwas Sinnvolles noch? Oh. Ah, fucking Psycho. Oh man. Ich hatte zuerst gedacht, ja mal, er macht einen zivilisierten Eindruck, bei ihm könnte Clem noch bleiben, aber... Totally not. Mal, ich möchte jetzt gleich noch eine Schule durchschauen.
Which way out?
Through there.
Ja. Ist gut, ich habe es begriffen. Oh wow. Ah, Clem haben wir wieder. So schön. Ah ja, ich schmecke schon wie ein Zombie. Ich schmecke schon wie ein Zombie. Oder ist
It didn't bite you.
Yeah. I know it. Must have.
You're covered in all that gross stuff.
Ich glaube nicht, dass es
They get
das
through
ist.
a bunch of them to get here.
Oder könnte es das sein? Könnte man
That's
so.
how we'll get out of Savannah.
Ist es wirklich das? Ich habe jetzt gedacht, weil ich gebissen worden bin. Sorry, Clemmy, das wird jetzt grusig. Ja, 2, da.
Oh no.
Oh, yes. Clemmy, ich habe da eine neue Halskette für dich. Schau mal, wie schön. Oh, wie fein.
Ooh.
Sorry, Clemmy. Oh, yeah.
We'll get you cleaned up as soon as we can.
Yep.
Not soon enough.
Lieber gestern, gell, Clemmy? Sorry. Wow.
Are you done?
A little more. I want to be sure.
Komm, wir reden nochmal rasch.
Just a little more.
Nur ein bisschen mehr.
So gross.
Ich weiß es. Ich weiß es, Clemmy. Wow. Oh, ich kötzle fast.
There. That should do it.
Oh,
I hope
Clemmy.
so.
I'm sorry.
And you
Oh,
miss it
das
so.
Bild jetzt gerade, wie sie ausgesehen hat, so
I
verloren.
thought it was gone.
Hey.
I thought you were gone.
Thank you.
Mit das Walkie-Talkie noch? Ich glaub's nicht.
Stay right next to me. Walk very slowly. Don't look around. And don't panic.
Okay.
I'll keep you safe.
Versuchen wir durchzukommen. Mal schauen, ob das klappt so mit dem Kreuzzeug dran. Ha? Aber Leute, wir müssen das nächstes Mal machen, weil irgendwie hat es so viele Videos, ich werde immer in den Videos gestoppt, es tut mir leid. Wir sehen uns nächstes Mal. Ich wünsche euch alles Gute. Bei Dexus 19 und so. Peace.